In our previous videos, we were discuss about some strategies of prompt crafting for Chat GPT, from write clear instructions to giving our model to some thinking time. Well, let's move to the next strategy, that is use external tools. Means how to compensate for the weaknesses of language models by leveraging the output of other tools. Let's break it down into three simple, powerful tactics. Tactic 1: Efficient knowledge retrieval with embeddings. A model can leverage external sources of information if provided as a part of its input. This can help the model to generate more informed and up to date responses. For example, if a user asks a question about a specific movie, it may be useful to add high quality information about the movie, example actors, directors, to the model's input. Embedding can be used to implement efficient knowledge retrieval so that relevant information can be added to the model input dynamically at runtime. Now, for our second technique, using code execution to perform precise calculations. Let's face it, models are not math wizards. In cases where accuracy matters, we can instruct the model to write and run code enclosed in triple backticks. Example: here users say, find all real value roots of the following polynomial. The model generates the code in triple backticks, execute it, and you will got accurate result without relying on the model's math skills. Tactic 3: Granting access to specific functions. Lastly, let's talk about giving the model access to a specific function using the chat completion API. You can pass a list of function descriptions, and the API will generate function argument according to provided schemas. For example, you can instruct the model to call external functions, receive JSON formatted results, and use them in subsequent requests. It's like creating a seamless loop of information exchange, maximizing the model's capabilities. And there you have it. Strategy number 5, a powerhouse of tactics to compensate for model weaknesses. Remember, prompt engineering is all about getting creative and optimizing your model's performance. Subscribe for more strategies and free AI tools. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.